Hi people, what's up? Long time no see. So firstly wishing you all a very happy new year 2025. And yes, this is my new look for the new year. थोड़े गाल वाल ज़्यादा लाल करना सीख गए हैं हम इस बार. So this wish is coming to you from another country. This is my first trip of 2025. It's January. और हम पहुंच चुके हैं Ethiopia. So Addis Ababa has always been a point of transit when I come from India or anywhere where I leave from Congo to travel to any place. It's mostly via Kenya or Addis Ababa. So this time I thought of taking a break, a pause before I move further and many other reasons. तो दूसरी जगहों का वीजा नहीं आया, ठीक है. तो अब तक हम ट्रांजिट की जगह इस जगह का फुल लुत्फ उठाने के मूड में हैं. तो हमने 2 दिन की ट्रिप बना ली एडिस अबाबा. This is the first place that I've come to explore. So I've just landed today morning. The first place that I've come to explore is Mount Entoto. So ये आप देख रहे हैं, it's like ऊपर अब यहाँ पे there are quite a few mountains and hills around this place. It's a very beautiful city. The weather is amazing. AC की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. गाड़ियों में ना AC चलता है. मेरे होटल रूम में AC का वेंट नहीं है. And it's chilling. So Addis has always been chilling and that's why I always carry this jacket with me during all my trips and specifically for places like these. 13 से 18 डिग्री के बीच में टेम्परेचर है. हमारे लिए काफी ज्यादा ठंडा टेम्परेचर है वो. और जैसे कि मैं बता रही हूँ, आई एम हियर एट माउंट एंटोतो. So this is the first place that I've come to. It's a hillside up and then we have this church and then we have an ancient memorial and a palace for one of the kings. यहाँ के पुराने ancient kings. I have hired a guide today with me क्योंकि I couldn't actually figure out how to go about it myself. There was a market, there were local places, but still it was very confusing. I am not exactly in the city center. So yeah, starting with Mount Entoto, I did stop at a local cafeteria. I had a bit of a local breakfast. The thali was huge, जैसे हमारी बाहुबली थाली आती है. It was crazy. So I definitely couldn't finish all of it. I just had whatever I could and then I made my way to here. So yes, that's it for now. We're just starting our trip. We're just starting our visit. So let's see what's inside and I'll keep you guys posted till the time. So guys, as I said, we are still at Mount Entoto and we were inside a museum. I'm sorry, वहाँ पे photography allowed नहीं थी. They did not allow us to take our cell phones inside. No photography, no videography. So that museum had, again, like all the other museums, their heritage, their history, the details about the king, the various gifts he had received. So there were gifts given by Queen Victoria from Italy, from France, even from India. And then there were swords and shields and ancient musical instruments. So basically, all in all, a summary of the heritage of Ethiopia. Their ancient currencies, thaler, then even dollars, and now the birr. So after that museum, we are here at a church. So it's an Orthodox church. And we're still to go inside. So as I said, I'll keep you posted whatever I'm looking at. In the meanwhile, like, share, subscribe, comment, follow, look at my previous videos, and we'll get back to you with more content soon. So see you soon, guys. Bye.